What should we Muslims do? I will just mention a few important points in brief. I feel it is the fard for every Muslim that they should pray for our Palestinian brothers and sisters. Get up in the last 1/3 of night and pray tahajjud salah to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And in that salah, in sujood, you make du'as for our Palestinian brothers and sisters. We should make on our social media, whether it be on the Facebook, whether it be on the Instagram, on the Twitter, on WhatsApp, we should make the world aware of the atrocities done by the Israelis on the innocent Palestinians. We should spread the literature, whether it be pamphlets, whether it be books, whether it be e-books, on this issue so that the world is aware of what is happening in Palestine. We should make publicity, whether on billboards, whether on buildings, hoardings, whether it be on buses, on different venues, so that we make the people aware in your locality, in your city, in your country about the atrocities done on our Palestinian brothers and sisters by the Israeli forces. There should be peaceful protests all over the world by the Muslims. We Muslims as a whole throughout the world should boycott all Israeli products. We should boycott consuming all Israeli products. Surely the 25% of the world population, if we boycott 100% of the Israeli products, it will be surely a reminder to Israeli, and it will be a good lesson to them. We should contribute financially whatever we can. When we contribute, see to it that you contribute besides your fard, zakat that you have to give. See to it that you donate a percentage of your income, your monthly income. If he donates $100, he will get more ajr than a person who earned $1 billion and he donates only $1 million. There should be diplomatic protest. See to it that the Muslims protest on a diplomatic level to the authorities. And if there are embassies or consulates in the country, see to it they give a diplomatic protest and a letter to the ambassador against the atrocities done by the Israeli government on the Palestinians. So I request our Muslim brothers and sisters throughout the world that implement on the few suggestions that I've given and see to it that we pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may He keep our Palestinian Muslims and brothers safe. May He give them sabr. May He give them victory. May He give the highest level of Jannat al-Firdaus to the martyrs of Palestine.